Alright, this video is going to show you how to replace the door lock. The electric door locks on these tend to fail. There's a little tab here you pry out and pop this, pry it from the top. Number 20 Torx. And then you want to pull off from your door release, prying in under this side and then working it out with the spackle and screwdriver just to show you. This locks it into place, and these are tabs, so when it goes in and like that. So next in here is a 10mm bolt to be removed, and you may want to pop your window thing and unplug the electric from that. Once you have these two out, the whole panel just lifts up. There's a little lip on this, so you want to pull this out a little bit and it'll slide right up. And here we can see inside the door. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's about 8 or 9 10mm bolts to remove this plastic thing. Okay, so you want to run your window all the way down, and then there's a little, next to the speaker, there's a black sticker. And inside, it's so hard to see. If I had better light, you'd be able to see there's a white tab, which actually clips through the glass. So you want to push that and pull your glass up out of the way so it'll be out of the track. So once you pop that out inside your window all the way up, undo the screws. There's also a T20 screw here and a 10mm nut inside this, and then the whole assembly is going to slide out with the lock. So just to show you the lock assembly, but you may have to disconnect some of the rods. There's a clip here, one underneath, and then the assembly slides forward. There's linkage you probably have to disconnect in here, and pulling the panel out, it helps. You see the wire harness to push as much of it through as you can to give plenty of working space. So I'm going to replace my lock now because it's jammed. I tried spraying inside, but the solenoid's just completely gummed. So I'm going to replace that, put everything back together, and I hope this helps you.